Are you looking for info about St. George window installation for homes? You're in the right place. Affordable installation options can transform your home with new windows. Learn how to make an informed choice. Many homeowners fall into the trap of focusing only on the price. Mistake 1: chasing the lowest estimate. Sometimes, a cheap installation can lead to more expense down the road. To avoid this, always prioritize quality over cost. Look for experienced installers who can guarantee their work. Investing wisely pays off. Mistake 2: neglecting reviews and trustworthiness. Installer reputation matters. Always check ratings before choosing. Poor experiences can cost more. To avoid this, engage with contractors up front. Ask questions and demand clarity to ensure successful installation. Mistake 3: timing your installation poorly. Planning your projects around St. George's weather improves efficiency. Aim for optimal seasons. Now let's tackle some common questions. First, how long does installation take? Expect a few hours for standard windows, a couple of days perhaps for a whole home. Next, do new windows save me money? Yes, energy-efficient options cut cost and enhance comfort. Lastly, do windows increase home value? Absolutely. They enhance appeal and quality, a strong investment. Ready for your new windows? Call us now for a free, no-obligation quote at 435-900-8696 or visit homewindowsstgeorge.com. Don't miss out.